Hi, I'm Jess with Davison Maine Real Estate. Today I'd like to explain how things typically work leading up to closing and how the closing attorney is involved. The week prior to closing, your lender will send a preliminary closing disclosure to the closing attorney. This begins the balancing process. Once the lender and attorney have taken everything into account and completely balanced the numbers, the attorney or lender will send your agent the final closing disclosure. Keep in mind, the final closing disclosure typically doesn't get sent out until about 24 to 48 hours prior to closing. In some cases, even the morning of closing, so don't panic. This is completely normal. You should have received wire instructions earlier in the process when the attorney sent preliminary documents. But if you can't find them, please let us know and we'll have the attorney resend them. Once you receive the final numbers, you can wire the funds due to the closing attorney. Be sure to call the attorney prior to wiring to verify that you have the right instructions. Beware, there is a lot of fraud, so you can never be too cautious. Once the attorney receives your funds and all parties have signed, those funds will be dispersed and the attorney will submit the deed for recordation. Once the home is recorded with the Registrar of Deeds, that is when it's officially yours. Congratulations, you get the keys and you're officially a homeowner.